Greenway is a healthcare IT solutions and services provider servicing the independent ambulatory market. And our customers are facing a number of unique industry challenges. Regulatory pressures, cost pressures are coming down, staff shortages, physician burnout. These are all things that Greenway is going to be focused on addressing with a reimagination of our software solutions and services. We are orientating around supporting practices through technology and healthcare automation, looking at how AI can better support and enable practices in addressing these market challenges. Everything from clinical workflow and how AI and ambient voice in particular can better support that patient-provider interaction, to how AI can better empower patients in engaging and managing their own healthcare, but then also looking at revenue cycle and back office workflow and how automation is really going to change the way that providers look to get paid for the care that they are providing to their patients. So all of this is Greenway's focus for the next 12 to 18 months ahead. And we're excited about what that impact is going to have on our customers and the patients that they are caring for. Everything Greenway is going to be working on in the next 6 to 12 months is going to be focused on how we can AI enable healthcare workflow. And that's one of the areas that we're going to be looking at Citius to engage from a technology partner of Greenway is, number one, to provide some of that subject matter expertise, give us the know-how to do this and how to transform our healthcare solutions. But then number two, help us to accelerate and go faster with some of the learnings that you guys have in working across healthcare and bringing some of that expertise on how AI can really enable software organizations to go faster with what we're trying to do in the industry. Everything today is about pace. And for us to be competitive in the market, we have to maintain that pace. And that's one of the areas where we really need Citius to engage with us to show us what that pace can look like. One of the things that I appreciate about Citius is domain knowledge in healthcare, right? I think it's extremely valuable for us to have a partner that is exclusively focused on healthcare, that understands the challenges of the industry and the challenges of Greenway as a solutions and technology provider in that industry. So the fact that you guys bring that Citius brings that subject matter expertise to the table, so that when working together on projects, number one, Citius understands the particular domain challenges that we have right out of the gate. And number two, that when we come together and work together on projects, you're bringing the right technology resources to bear to address the challenge that we're looking to solve. Yeah, one of the things that I'm excited about with Citius is some of your exploration of how AI and agentic AI in particular is going to transform software development in the future. So some of the projects that I see Citius working on, like Neuron, that's going to really transform the way software gets built in this space. It's something that I'm excited about engaging with Citius on. Yeah, I think all technology leaders, number one, should really become experts in the particular domain that they're working in. So I think, for Citius, being a exclusively healthcare focused service provider is incredibly important. And that just means that every one of those Citius engineers should really be focused on being disciples of healthcare, right? So the more you can learn about healthcare, the more impact and value you will offer to your customers. And number two, we all know that software is an evolving landscape right now. And I think really embracing change and embracing how AI is going to change the discipline of software development is critically important. There's obviously a lot of impacts and ramification of that change, but being out on the forefront of understanding what that looks like and how AI is going to really change the way software gets delivered and how it can enable Citius to more effectively support your customers, I think is important. So for some of those emerging software engineers, I think those are the two really important things I would focus on is healthcare subject matter expertise and domain knowledge, and number two, really staying out at the forefront of how technology and AI is transforming the industry. Because customers like Greenway, we're all going to be looking at Citius to be out at the forefront and defining the future of software development.